everybody, welcome to the last day of planting for 2022. It is June 12 today, and this is the last day we're going to plant. I'll explain more in a little bit, but last video we left some sunflowers to do, and we're gonna go finish that field up right now in the 7510 to finish sunflower planting. Maybe one more field today, we'll see if it's too wet, but today is the last day, and welcome to the video. This might be the end of sunflower planting. This field is complete out here, and it could be the last one. We're not too sure. We might go check another field over in a different part of our land that the plan was to be sunflowers, but it just was a little wet on Thursday, even for the cultivator. And I don't know, I was doing this field and I thought this field was a little more wet today than it was on Friday. That little bit of rain we got seemed to affect things a little bit, and if that's the case over in this other field, I doubt we'll get it planted, but we're cutting it off today regardless. As for everything else, soybeans are complete. I think I told you that before. Today's tasks include cleaning out the air seeder. If we're done with sunflowers, cleaning out all these sunflower hoppers and that kind of thing. So probably wrapping up here pretty shortly. All right, so we are gonna get more fertilizer. Heard from one of the places back, and they're coming out in a little bit, maybe an hour or two, to deliver just enough fertilizer for us to finish some of these sunflower spots. The air seeder is out right now and is finishing up wheat for the year, and we'll go see what we can do for these sunflower spots, just kind of patching in some stuff where we can. Field is cultivated 2.5 hours, not that bad. Sunflower planting will no doubt take a little bit longer than that, but it shouldn't be too much. We're gonna check the seed levels, see if we need to add any bags of seed to these hoppers in the planter, and then we're gonna go out and start planting. Also need to fertilize that field, but because it's going to rain tonight, it can just be done anytime and the rain will work it in. So that's that. Pretty much what they look like, and I probably do need to add at least another bag, if not two. my camera batteries are dying and the rain's starting to drip on the window, and I'm finished up with that field, which means planting's done, I do believe. And like I said, we didn't get everything in, but it is what it is. And it was a successful planting season given the elements we had to face. And put in some long days, got a good amount of work done, and finishing it up today, June 12th. So marking the end of planting 2022, and not the end of videos, of course. There's more to come, more stuff this summer happening. Harvest coming right up. We'll be checking the crops and all that fun jazz. So stay tuned and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I'm gonna head home and eat some dinner. Thank you very much for watching.